Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Word file to JPEG. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step that you need to follow, you can see that this is my Word file and click on Ctrl S. And first you need to save it as PDF. Okay. So let me save it as PDF. So you can see that it is now saved as PDF. Then you need to open any browser and search here PDF to JPEG like I am doing. Okay, click on that option and click on select file, click on desktop, and here you can see that, and click convert to JPEG, and here you can download image. So this is a process by which you can convert Word file to JPEG. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.